Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today is Wednesday and it's our wisdom day. The topic which I have selected for you people, that is why failure is the first step to success. Dear viewers, some people misunderstood power of failure. Most people see failure as the end of the road. They think if I failed, it means I'm not good enough. But in reality, failure isn't the opposite of success, it's a part of success. Every great inventor, leader, and achiever has failed many times before reaching their goals. Without failure, there is no real learning, and without learning, success becomes almost impossible. Failure is a teacher, not an enemy. When you fail, you receive the most valuable thing, that is feedback. It tells you what works, what doesn't, and where you need to improve. For example, Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed over 1000 times before he succeeded. Instead of calling them failures, he called them 1000 steps that didn't work. Each setback gives you a lesson that no book or lecture can ever truly teach. Building resilience through setbacks. Failure forces you to become stronger. When you fail and get back up, you develop mental toughness. Imagine a seed. Before it grows into a strong tree, it must break through the hard soil. In the same way, every failure you face is like the soil that strengthens your roots. This resilience is what helps you handle bigger challenges in the future. Shifting your mindset about failure. The biggest difference between successful and unsuccessful people is their mindset about failure. Unsuccessful people see failure as the sign to give up. Successful people see it as a signal to try again differently. A famous Japanese proverb says, fall 7 times, stand up 8. This mindset turns every defeat into a stepping stone. Failure brings you closer to your goal. Every failure eliminates one wrong path and brings you closer to the right one. It's like unlocking a puzzle. Each wrong piece you try teaches you what the correct piece might look like. If you never fail, you might never explore all the possible ways to reach your goal. So, in a strange way, failure actually speeds up your journey towards success. Conclusion. Embrace failure, embrace growth. Failure isn't something to be ashamed of. It's proof that you had the courage to try. The first step to success isn't talent, not luck, but the willingness to fail and learn. So, the next time you face a setback, remember it's not the end, it's the beginning of your journey towards greatness. Thank you so much viewers for watching my video and listening it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also mention in the comments about my efforts which I put on daily basis for you people. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.